Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a video on Maple Finance and its Maple token. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks. Start the video today. I have to put out the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and sharing what I'm doing in the crypto space. So anyway, let's get right into it. Maple Finance. Gonna just do a quick overview again. Haven't done that in a while, and what is going on with it and where I think the price is going with Maple Finance. They haven't updated their website since the last time I've been on it. So that's a good sign. You know, they're staying very active, keeping their product, up to date. So anyway, just, lending markets redefined by Maple Finance. You can see, you can start lending and just checking this out. It looks like you can lend stable coin, secure lending. This is for corporations, by the way, large companies. I don't think this, is for like little small people like me and you. But anyway, I mean, this is big for, big money. Stable coin, secure lending at 20%, targeted 8 PY. Altcoin, 10%, corporate credit, 11%, cash management, 5%. So that's cool. Definitely. They are staying busy. And you can see, you could go through the website, you could go ahead and hear it from their clients. Lots of great things they're saying. Interested in borrowing $3.71 billion in loans issued. That's to me is pretty big. Low cost operations, 85 plus institutional borrowers. So there's some big money getting involved with this, and I think Maple Finance is, positioning themselves very well, and that could be very, very good for its token, the Maple token, MPL. So let's look at that. Go right here. I have it pulled up here on CoinGecko. You can see over the last 24 hours, it's down 6.1%. It's only ranked 440 on the total market cap. Its market cap is 113 million. Fully diluted, it's 144. You can see total supply, very small supply for a lot of cryptos. It's only 10 million coins out there, and 7.8 million are in circulation already. So you can see they do have total locked value of over $1 million now. So that's growing, but it's not hot on the trading. It's only $640,000 trading volume in the last 24 hours. So I think this is could be a little sleepy. I think people aren't really paying attention to Maple Finance, but we'll see. This would be a time, with this big correction we had in the crypto market. Of course, everything corrected, and we'll look at that in the charts. But it could be a good time to, build a position if you don't have one, or add to one that you currently have. Also, it could be, something that someone might want to trade. But again, that's just my opinions. So we can go down here and you can see the all-time high is $68.20. I really think peak of this bull market, it's going to blow by this number. So anyway, we'll do the math on that too. I really do. So let's get right into, we can do some math right now. So, this is 113 million. So if it 10x, it'd be 1.3 billion. I mean, I could see this being a $2 to $5 billion coin. So let's just say it 20x's. So that would be, roughly, we'll just call it 2.5 billion dollar market cap. So I really think that could support it. So that would be, we'll just base that 20x on the price. So let me clear this out here. So it's 1441. Oops, having finger problems. 14.41. Really, I am. All right, finally, I get the number right. Here we go. Multiply that by 2,000% is our 20x. And you can see it converts it there for us. So that would put Maple Finance at $288. So I really think that's possible. Even if it was half that, 10x, it'd put it at $144. So I really think that's going to go there. But just real quick, I'm going to divide that by its all-time high, which is 68.20. So that would be a 4x from its all-time high. I think that's possible. That's me, my opinion. So that would be putting it at a $288 price tag on Maple Finance. That would be fantastic. Anyway, that's where I think it's possibly going. But let me look at the charts now. I'll finish up with that. We can see where it's going. So right now I have the weekly candle wick chart up. And you can see here on the weekly chart, you can see like it was back in October, we had that nice run up, correction. It almost looked like a bull flag. And then here we go. It hit the 20-day moving average, and that held as support. We had a nice run up into the halving. Month before the halving. And then we had this hefty correction. And that's what I think it is. It's a correction. I don't think really the trend has moved. We did hit the previous low. I don't know if we made a new low, but probably not. No. So, but it bounced off that, hit the 50-day moving average and bounced back up. But now the 20-day moving average here, this last wick for this last week, looks like it acted as resistance. So hopefully that we break through that, which I think we are. And then I think our next move is going to, at least from where we're at, excuse me, around 1435 right now, I really think, it's going to go back up here. There's going to be a double there, and that could happen over the next probably, I think realistically over the next, month to 2 months, probably the next couple of months, Maple will be back up to around $30. That's my guess. It might even be higher. Who knows? We might have a parabolic few weeks of candle wicks. Look at this going down. That was parabolic. So, but once we get back above this zone, we break above this recent high of like $28, $29. We get above that. There's nothing really stopping it. Up to, I'd say $50 to $55. So, and I say we're going to see that $50 to $55 sometime this summer, before September, put it that way. That's my prediction. But I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little more. Just go to the daily wicks, and you can see right now it got back up above the 200-day moving average and our volume point of control here, which is big. So now it just acted as support this last wick. So let's see, maybe this is like a little bull flag forming on the daily chart. You can see just the flagpole, and we got the flag forming. As long as it stays above this volume point of control and bounces off the 200-day, and it can break above the 20 and the 50, this thing is going. I think the market is definitely at the bottom of its correction, and I'm looking at a lot of charts, and a lot of cryptos are starting to form this type of pattern and starting to break back up from that recent low we had. So anyway, my prediction is, I would say, if you're buying to hold it, anywhere in this price is good. If you like me, I don't market buy, I always limit buy. So I might put a limit buy at $14 and call it 30 cents. Because I think it probably will wick down and keep bouncing on this a little bit. So, or otherwise, if you're trading it, you'd probably want to wait till it breaks above the 50-day moving average around $16. So you see the trend has reversed, the downward trend has reversed, and it's moving up. And then you'd figure out where you put your stops and whatnot. My prediction is it's going to bounce off this, volume point of control and the 200-day moving average, and it's going to break above this 50-day moving average right here, and the 20 is going to also cross over the 50. And I really see this just it's going to be a nice move up from now through summertime, really. And it's going to be, in my prediction, it's going to be $55 before September. So there you go, guys. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you could leave a comment, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, all of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.